Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to make the recipe for Tom Yum Gung, which is the one of the most famous Thai dish and is also one of the most amazing soup. You might already know that there are a couple different types of Tom Yum Gung. Instead of shrimp, you could use fish or you could use even chicken or a mix of seafood. And also there is a clear soup which in Thai is called ต้มยำน้ำใส and there is a creamy milky soup which is called ต้มยำน้ำข้น so today we are going to making ต้มยำน้ำใส or clear ต้มยำกุ้ง that is original from Thailand and there is all ingredients first with the lemongrass and I'm just gonna use the bottom half and bang this so it's crunch. That's where the aroma juice come out and you can use the knife and now you are release the aroma from the cell. See, now is the lemongrass is already broken and then we cut to be the short. Next we have kaffir lime leaves and you just want to do them left here to allow the aroma to come out. So for the chili, I'm just gonna give them a quick pound, just so that I don't have any big shock that people are gonna accidentally eat it. You can just also finely chop it. But if someone cannot eat the spicy, you can skip for this. And there you go. And finally, we have to add the galangal. And also you need the galangal if you have. But today I skip it because I cannot find it here. The thing you just do is just slice it, only a little piece. And then the lime juice. This is very important for this recipe because the main of the taste is sour. The trick for choose the lime is the surface is so smooth. It means it's a lot of water, a lot of juice. And some greenery, you can just do cilantro. The main herb that need to use here is the lemongrass and kaffir lime. But the galangal is some of the smell, but if you don't have, it's fine for this recipe. Tom Yum Gung always has some sauce of mushroom in it. Traditionally, it's using straw mushroom. I cannot get straw mushroom here. My second favorite is champignon mushroom, or you can use other mushroom as you have. And then just cut it, not too little or not too big. And the important thing is shrimp. Or as I told you, you can use chicken or other seafood or other meat as you like. And if you use the shrimp, we will make the shrimp stock pot. So you just peel the shrimp and remove the black line. And cut the head of shrimp, or someone is like to cook with the head, it's up to you. But today I will do both because I need some head of shrimp to make the soup or to make the stock. And you can see the shrimp head is have the orange color, and if you make the stock it make beautiful orange color broth. So now all ingredients is ready, and then let's get started. So start with make the shrimp stock, or you can use chicken stock or the water is fine. But we add the water 400 ml into the stock pot, and then you just add a little of lemongrass and the kaffir lime leaf because it will make the good smell for the stock. And add the shrimp head and also shell into the stock pot. Alright, so I have got my shrimp in the pot here, and I want to start by just saucing the shrimp. And then I'm gonna let this simmer for 15 minutes. The shrimp stock has done shimmering, and look at this beautiful orange color broth. And now I'm going to fish out all the shrimp. All the herbs go in. All of these again you will not eat, they are for infusion purpose only, so you could live in it. That is what we traditionally do, but if you want to make it easier for people to eat it, you just fish it out after they are done shimmering. And then I just put the mushroom, and I'm just gonna let this cook for about a minute. So while the mushrooms are cooking away, and now the shrimp are going to go in. And shrimp takes so little time, so really like 1 minute for shrimp this size. And then we are gonna make the taste by add chili. I'm going to add the fish sauce. For this recipe, we use 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then I'm gonna stir them and let all that dissolve. And with some greenery, you can just do cilantro. It's so good smell now. And that is almost done and turned off now. Then we are still missing a key ingredient, that is lime juice. But I want to wait for it, because if you put before, it make the soup is a bit of bitter of the lemons. So we put the lime juice about 3.5 tablespoons. Now it's ready to serve with the jasmine rice. Oh, the stock is so nice and sour and a little bit of spicy, and you can really taste that lime juice. Just healthy and delicious. So the next time I will show you guys the other type of the tom yum goong, that is the creamy tom yum goong. But normally I prefer this clear tom yum goong because it's so nice and healthy. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my Facebook and my YouTube channel. And see you next time. Bye.